Ketu in 12th house. Let's talk about this. So, what is Ketu? Ketu is not a planet exactly, it's a shadow planet. It is kind of a mathematical point where the intersection of moon and earth take place on the southern side of the moon. What exactly Ketu represent? Ketu represents your detachment, your spirituality, so your liberation means moksha. Ketu is associated with your past life and your cutting illusions, past life karmas. Now let's talk about what is 12th house. 12th house is your losses, your isolation, your foreign land, and your hidden enemies. All these are represented from 12th house, plus your expenditures, also your hospitalization, also your prison. If there is a prison yoga, that's also represented from the 12th house. What is crucial in this part? In 12th house, we basically talk about spirituality, moksha, and your subconscious mind. Ketu in your 12th house. Since Ketu represent detachment, spirituality, and moksha, and the 12th house is also about moksha, so Ketu is very strong in this house. The intuition power of a person is very strong when the Ketu is in 12th house. They can have a lot of deja vu moments. They can have the strong sixth sense, and they are more inclined toward the spirituality. What are the effects? A person would more be indulged into all kind of spiritual activities, meditation, occult, plus they are more into the charity part. 12th house is your foreign land. A person would be interested to go into the foreign land for religious activities. That's a very good, they kind of have a strong feeling that they doesn't belong to their homeland. They feel like abroad is their own land and they are more attracted toward overseas. If your Ketu is strong, you will try to be go into solitude and in the moksha state. You want to get detached with your family, you can get detached with your materialistic things, and you only want to get the moksha. Person with Ketu in 12th house are more indulged in helping other, in doing the charity for other purposes, for other people. They can self harm a lot in trying to help others. It needed to be controlled a lot. Ketu here, since it is the house of expenditure, Ketu here, you'll try to minimize your expenditures. Ketu will help you to keep your expenditures in control. So, what are the remedies if you are feeling like going to the moksha, if you feel a lot of detachment, lot of away from the family? First would be to do meditation and yoga. This is the best remedy for Ketu. Next would be go to the nature, connect with the nature. This is a very good remedy for the Ketu. You can feed the brown dog. That's a good part for remedy. Plus, if there is any watchman in your society, try to give them some kind of money or donation or charity. That would be good for you. Why I'm talking about Ketu, watchman? Because Ketu is a shadow planet, and most of the cases, watchmen are also outside your home, and most of the people don't recognize them. That's why Ketu is more attached with the watchman. Do prayer to Lord Ganesh. Lord Ganesh can handle your Ketu a lot. And if you go regularly to religious places, that would be good for you. So this is my take. If Ketu is in 12, if you like my video, just give me a thumbs up. And if you have any query, just comment it out. I'll try to answer those. Subscribe to my channel. Till then, Jai Babedi, Jai Bajrangbali.